How to make charcoal. There's many ways to do it. Basically, you're trying to burn the wood without burning the wood. I'm just going to try and do a small batch here. I've tried filling that whole container before. It makes about 3, almost 4 bags of charcoal, but it takes forever and a ton of heat. I've got it somewhat raised off the ground, well, in a hole, so that way I can put sticks underneath it and burn it slowly. Hopefully a smaller batch works a lot better. Basically, it's a lid. It takes the syngas up there, brings it around and burns it off. So it's also kind of like a retort, so saving a little energy on having to burn a little less. And it's a lot cleaner. About 30 or 40 minutes in, and feel the heat. This wood it's been raining. Wood was really wet, not green, but very wet. So most of the steam finally is burnt off. The syngas is just starting to ignite. Oh, good. That's a good view. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Let's get as low as possible, but that pipe right there, gases are shooting out of it. Yeah, there's a lot rolling from underneath it, which is good too. Another reason why setting it up high, trying to get as much heat from the bottom, heat rises, to circulate that barrel. Now if I had this in an enclosure, it'd be way more efficient, but just do a quick one where I can throw my scrap branches on there, put them to use. Now the syngas is burning off really nice. Adds a little heat to the barrel at the same time, not just coming out as smoke and wasting it. Around the ring of the barrel as well, around the ring of the barrel, the syngas is burning off too. It's not a perfect seal, but enough to not let oxygen in and burn the wood. Instead, turns it into charcoal. Yeah, there's that whooshing sound. It is coming from the lip of the barrel, shooting out like a blowtorch. That's what I like to hear. That's the syngas burning off, and it's gonna leave just charcoal. Now the other method I like to do is just get a small metal bucket with a lid, kind of like a popcorn tin, throw that in my wood stove. I get to save all the heat to heat my house while making charcoal. But that only makes a small 2-gallon bucket full of charcoal at a time. This you can make bagfuls of charcoal at a time. Alright, it's the next day. It's all burnt out. Now I can still smell it. It smells like burning or smoke. That means it's not fully done. You can see tar didn't all burn out. Another reason why I'm wearing purple gloves, so you can actually see what's going on here. But it is crumbling apart. That's good. The stuff having a little sap left makes for great flavor. Stuff for blacksmithing though, and it's going to be smoky on the first start. Now something this big is mostly done, but I can't break it by hand. I'd probably say the center is not done yet, but this is how you make charcoal. You're basically cooking it at high temperatures. What I'll most likely do is take like a milk crate, shake all up, get the little pieces out, like these little fragments, get these out. I'll use that for blacksmithing, so I don't need that good a grade, but for cooking I want the bigger chunks. You know when it's good, when you can break, oh shoot, you didn't see that, you can break a whole stick this big, like that. But that's why it's worth it to do smaller batches. I think a 15-gallon drum, a 15-gallon barrel will do it a lot better, because you can heat up a smaller container like that. Oh man, tar is everywhere. That's where that smell is. Can you smell it? Can you?